I'm explaining to you why the Earth is flat while eating some ramen noodles. Alright. So if you're saying the Earth is round, that means then why do we have a floor on the bottom of the Earth or the bottom of the ocean? They said that there's a depth where you can reach. That's one of my points. Second of my points is why does the bottom of the Earth, or like as you dig down the Earth, there's a core. So like they say it's fire, and if it's fire, then it's hot, right? Then why the Earth gets even colder as you go down, which proves that the Earth is not round, because they say the Earth as you go down, the Earth gets colder. But if it's round, and then they said the land as you go down, it gets hotter. It makes no sense. Second thing is, if you keep swimming down, you'll end up finding if you keep swimming down on Atlantic Ocean, you'll end up going up on the Pacific Ocean, which makes no sense at all. And the same thing if you dig down United States, for example, you'll end up in China or like a whole different country if you dig down, because it's like a circle. So when you go down a circle, there's like another country down here. So if you keep digging down, it's like a whole different country, which is like bullshit. Alright, that's another reason. Alright, I just changed the camera angles, but as I was saying, if you're like in a round globe, if we were in a round Earth, if the Earth was round, and we just dig down, we'll end up in a different country. Let's say this is the U.S., this is China. If you dig down, we'll end up in China, which is like bullshit. That will not happen, because if it was, the U.S. would have already found somehow like a way to go in. And would you say this lava? Trust me, the U.S. has a loophole to everything. All right, now let me tell you one more thing. They say, where's the edge? Where's that kind of bullshit? Like, don't worry about the edge. Think about think about Antarctica. Why do you think you can't go there? That's pretty much like the edge. If Antarctica was not the edge, why would they try to cover it up? Why aren't you allowed to go to Antarctica? There's studies, or not studies, but there's articles online that shows you people who went to Antarctica actually got killed for going there. Like, why would you kill civilians for going to Antarctica? Why didn't they only let scientists? They're hiding something, and that's why they said the Earth is a globe. They're hiding something. The government is. So you guys might call us dumb. I understand, because y'all were born to think the Earth is a globe. You were taught that at school, but it's really not. Why would they protect Antarctica? Why would they not let anybody go there? The Earth is surrounded by an ice wall, which is Antarctica, which they're not letting us go in because they know they have something. They're hiding something over there, because there's no reason to hide it. And another reason is, people will say, if they're hiding it, why when other countries, like, why are they hiding it too? There's two reasons that I know of, or I can provide. One reason is the U.S. is either providing money to them, they're supplying them with money. They're giving them a lot of money. And that's one reason. Second reason is, if the countries don't comply, or if they don't go along with what they're saying, they'll go to war with them. The U.S. has done that many times, and U.S. bullshits and makes a lot of lies, like how they went to the Iraq war saying they went in for chemical weapons or shit like that, mass destruction, which was a lie, went in for the oil. Another thing is, they went for the Vietnam War. They said, I think it was a ship. That was either for the Vietnam War or the Spanish War in Cuba. They said up something about the ship, some bullshit, which they went in. So that proves to you that the U.S. lies often. So don't trust nobody. Trust yourself. Make your own theories. Like the Big Bang Theory, that's bullshit. No. Zero, nothing. They say Big Bang came from nothing. 0 plus 0 will never give you 1. Just letting you know that. Always remember that. And if you believe in the Bible says the Earth is flat. I'm out.